Marriage can only work successfully when you follow the rules of God. You have some folks who refuse. They will tell you, "Me not gonna no counseling. Me don't want no counselor talk to me." So they have chosen divorce. He beat me, but me not this I go stay because God sent me not for divorce. You not chat to him, you not sleep in a different room. A long time now, nothing no go on. Panguan Street. But I'm saying this to you. You can trick the world all you want. But a healthy marriage is always going to be two persons in a house enjoying one another. If you're not at the place, then you need to do whatever it takes to get there. Or else you'll be two old miserable grandpa and grandma in one house, a fight and argue in our heart, and it going only harbor bitterness, unforgiveness that will take you straight to hell with your ring on your finger. Remember now, is the love of God. So is God set marriage? So nobody can wake up and know the answers. But the answers are in God. So if you want it to work well, find a man of God to teach you the way to make it work. Don't shun the man of God and live in misery. Use the road God set to bring you deliverance. If you refuse the road, then you choose the other road. It's automatic. Can I see a mouse? She asleep so, you asleep so. But you now wear a ring. Come on, honey. You're fooling. You're already divorced.